Subject Physical Education for Class 11th, Unit 8, Fundamentals of Anatomy, Physiology and Kinesiology in Sports. In this chapter, we will focus today about the introduction of anatomy, physiology and kinesiology. Anatomy, it is a branch of biology which studies the human body structure. This science provides us the detail of human structure. It is shape and interrelation of various parts of the body. In the skeletal or through the skeletal, we have to know about the study of the human structure. Next one, we have to focus on the meaning of physiology. Physiology refers to the body's functioning. This is associated with the study of functioning of cell, tissues and organs of body. It is very closely associated with the structure and studies that how is structure works. For example, functioning of heart is known as physiology of heart. So, in this physiology, through this we have to know about the how many systems are working in our body and what are the functions of the organs or various organs in our body, because good working is very important for the body. So good working of body consists of the proper functioning of various systems which makes man more efficient. Each system consists of various organs. Organs consist of various tissues and tissues consist of many cells. Thus the functional ability of the body depends upon the efficiency of each cell. In this chapter we will learn the basic working of various systems. So through this we have to know about the body functioning in physiology. Next one, the meaning of the kinesiology. The kinesiology word derived from the Greek word kensi, which means motion, and logos, that means study. Hence kinesiology is a discipline that study of movements. In other words, it means study of muscular movement. Kinesiology, a physical education, study of the role exercise, physical movements and sports play in the development of human health and pleasure. Mainly it is observed that various applied sciences like biomechanics, anatomy, physiology, psychology to better understand how the human body respond to physical activity. The overall objectives of the programs in kinesiology is to improve the better understanding about the human movement. So, in the field of physical education, kinesiology is a study of human body as a machine. Mainly, it has three major areas of study, mainly machines, anatomy and physiology. The knowledge of these three fields make a functioning and the foundation of the body or foundation for the study of human movement. The focus on the anatomical and musculoskeletal analysis of human movement. Mainly it involves the study of structure and functions of muscles, action of joints and the neuromuscular basis of movements. So through these details we have to know about the anatomy, physiology and kinesiology. Thank you.